USS Shawnee was a single-turreted, twin-screw monitor built by Curtis and Tilden, Boston, Massachusetts, United States. It was delivered 22 July 1865 and commissioned 18 August 1865. Shawnee was a Casco-class, light draft monitor intended for service in the shallow bays, rivers, and inlets of the Confederacy. These warships sacrificed armor plate for a shallow draft and were fitted with a ballast compartment designed to lower them in the water during battle. Design revisions. Though the original designs for the Casco-class monitors were drawn by John Erickson, the final revision was created by Chief Engineer Alban C. Steimer's following Rear Admiral Samuel F. DuPont's failed bombardment of Fort Sumter in 1863. By the time that the plans were put before the Monitor Board in New York City, Erickson and Steimer's had a poor relationship, and Chief of the Bureau of Construction and Repair John Lenfell had little connection to the board. This resulted in the plans being approved in 20 vessels ordered without serious scrutiny of the new design. $14 million US was allocated for the construction of these vessels. It was discovered that Steimer's had failed to compensate for the armor his revisions added to the original plan, and this resulted in excessive stress on the wooden hull frames and a freeboard of only 3 inches. Steimer's was removed from the control of the project and Erickson was called in to undo the damage. He was forced to raise the hulls of the monitors under construction by 22 inches to make them seaworthy. Fate. Therefore, the Navy Department ordered on 10 November 1865 that Shawnee to be laid up in ordinary at the Boston Navy Yard. In June 1869, she was renamed Eolus but regained her original name less than 2 months later. Shawnee was sold for scrap on 9 September 1875. References. This article incorporates text from the Public Domain Dictionary of American Naval Fighting Ships. The entry can be found here.